Up.
Here it comes.
How's that for inflow, Chris?
I know.
I know, right?
Look at that tail on that. Number 3.
Here it comes.
Yeah. That's on the ground.
It's down.
It's amazing how you can go from 0 to 3 in about 3 seconds. Right, Tim?
Wow.
Oh, she's getting big. She's getting big.
She's big.
That is not good news for this town, though. You take it. I gotta film this.
Wow.
Power button's on top.
There. Does that make the trip worth it now? That's worth the drive from Ames, Iowa. Warm front can suck it.
Ease him in.
Wow! Oh, that just made that trip worth it. Oh, yes! Don't hit any towns. Look at the debris coming up from the bottom. Let's see if I zoom in on it. Wow! Wow, that is gorgeous. Well, Iowa Staters, you saw your tornadoes. Oh my God, it's heading for the town, the satellite.
Yeah, it is.
It's the new one taking over. Oh no!
It is!
Oh no!
That right one is gonna start getting bigger soon. I have a bad feeling about that.
I have a bad feeling about Cherokee, Oklahoma.
This is incredible.
That's starting to wrap around.
I hope those people took cover.
Yeah.
Looks like the left one is starting to go up. Yeah, left one's done. No, it's not. Never mind. It's still on the ground.
Oh no.
There she goes. She's getting bigger. Getting bigger on the right side.
Oh wow. A tough time. Oh, look at some of those shots. Oh. That one's okay, it's still on the ground, still churning up dirt. I'm gonna focus in on it. Can't move north because the twin on the left side is gonna be a problem.
I know.
The last one's roping out. Wow, that just made this whole day, this whole trip. I'm gonna get you a video. I'm gonna contact AP News to get the twins as fast as we physically can.
This rope out's amazing, though.
I know.
It's like the right one's done for now.
They're going into town.
Dude, Chris.
The town's about to get rolled.
This one's finally roping out.
It's gone.
It's gone.